Hey guys, welcome back to Elvis Car Reviews. I hope that every single one of you is having a beautiful day. In today's video, we are going to install a front lip on this beautiful 2021 Dodge Charger Hellcat widebody. When you purchase a brand new Charger or Challenger, they all come with a factory front lip protector that is pink or orange. For some reason, you're supposed to remove it after you take delivery of the car, but for some reason, some owner like to keep it because they think it's cute. Now, I think every responsible Mopar owner should remove it as soon as they receive their car and then purchase this aftermarket front lip by the company called 90. It's pretty easy to install. All you have to do is unscrew a few bolts that were placed in when the factory front lip cover was installed, and it's a direct fit. So you just unscrew a few screws, take out a few bolts, and the 90 front lip goes right in. It's a pretty easy thing to do, but to be more comfortable, you need to jack the car up just a little bit so you can have space. As you can see right now, we drove the car on top of some wood, but it's not enough. We will have to use a jack to lift the car a little bit to gain access to the bottom front of the car. Right now, since we are just unscrewing the screws and removing the bolts, we don't need to jack the car yet, but you will see in a minute we definitely need to lift up the car a little. So after unscrewing the screws and removing the bolts, the next step is to jack up the car a little bit so we can have space to install the new front lip and have enough space for the power drill to go underneath. Because despite the fact you already have like 4 pre-drill holes that were used to support that pink factory lip, you will need to drill at least 6 new holes in order to make the fit more sturdy. So 90 provides screws in the package for that. Take a look at those two openings, those two flat openings. They are actually a direct match from the form of the front lip. So those two slide right in that opening. So that gives you your mark on where to install it. Once it goes in, then you will start by putting back the bolts on the factory holes, and after that, then you can drill your separate holes to make it stronger. So you can drill as many holes as you can. If you the sturdier the better, but it will all depend on how aesthetic looking you want it to be. And after that, the job is done. You'll have a beautiful looking carbon fiber front lip. So this is the final result, guys. As you can see, this thing looks much better with the front lip on. We've drilled into a total of 6 holes and 4 pre-drilled all from the factory, so a total of 10. So you need 6 screws and 10 bolts to have it done. This is the final look. We still need to adjust it a little bit because despite the fact that we put all the hole, it wasn't holding up properly. We had to really push it in. Make sure you really push it in, line it up correctly in order to have it installed. So this is how it looks like after being installed, and it completely changed the look of the car. I highly recommend that you get this for your Dodge Charger Hellcat or non-Hellcat, widebody or non-widebody. Just go on their website and you will find the perfect fit for your vehicle. If you are interested by this product, go check out the 90store.com. I will put the link in the description below and get yourself this beautiful front lip for your Charger. They also have for Challengers, and they also have rear diffuser. And I want to thank them for shipping me this item for free to test out for you guys. And it turned out to be very good. It's a really nice product that I will definitely recommend. Now take a look at the before and after of the vehicle just to see how big of a change this front lip makes. I think it totally changed the look of the car. The Hellcat, as it is already an aggressive vehicle, but when you add in the front lip, it makes it looks completely different. It's a very, very nice and worth upgrade to have on your vehicle. Take a look for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are stopping by for the first time, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next upload.